Hello. All right, I'm being goofy right now. Hello, everybody out there. Hello, hello. Welcome, Soul Tribe, and anyone who's new. If you are new, welcome in. My name is Kelly. Everybody out there, remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to throw that in the beginning so we can get that stuff out of the way. Not that it won't pop up later, but just saying. All right, so I just started this back, the Daily Shuffle. I did one yesterday, so if you want to check that out. I usually have a theme for every day, so I kind of, see what comes up in the cards, but I kind of go by the planets of the week. Now, yesterday was a Monday, and it's the moon day, so I think of the moon as, emotions and stuff like that. It's the moon day. So today is Tuesday. Tuesday is Mars, and Mars is all about action, so I consider like Tuesday tempos. Now, these are general reads and timeless. I get timeless, so it doesn't matter when you watch them. It's not like you have to watch it on a Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, whatever. And they're general reads, so they may not resonate for all of you. So just take what resonates and leave what doesn't. All right. Let's get rolling here. Let's get going. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm recording this in April, so if you're watching this in April, hope you're having a good start to your spring. Anybody else doing some spring cleaning? Because I am. Yeah, too much. I got too much. All right, peeps. Here we go. Let's see what we got going. Well, the Five of Cups. Sorry, I'm rattling. I don't know what else this thing. Stop rattling. Yikes. Sorry. I'll try not to rattle too much. Maybe you can't hear it because this is a noise canceling microphone. So hopefully it's canceling that noise. It's driving me nuts. Five of Cups. Ooh, we got the two fives here. And the eight. Okay, let's get into this here. We have the Five of Cups, Five of Pentacles, and the Eight of Swords. And then the Empress is after that. Oh, Lord, and the Five of Swords. What's happening? Look at all the swords. What's going on, you guys? What is going on? Wow, you're going through some tough energy here. I mean, you've got the Empress and the Queen of Wands, and there's something that is happening for some in the collective that has been a huge disappointment. You're feeling left out in the cold, and this is making you feel like you're in some sort of a prison that you can't get out of. The Empress is here to send you the love. It's like the Empress is sending you the hug, or the universe is sending you the hug, and saying, right now you're feeling not so great, and then you got this right here. This is a fight that isn't worth fighting. It's whatever it is done and over. Now you've got the Queen of Wands. The Queen of Wands, you got to pull up your bootstraps. You got to pull up that confidence, get your power back, and we're going to move from these rough waters away. Now, the Five of Cups is saying you're focusing on something, spilled milk, but you still have two cups. So everything isn't lost. So, but it's a beginning, a time to look at things much more clearly. You have the Nine of Cups here. Things are going to get better. It may not seem like it, and you may be being a little bit stubborn. Ain't gonna lie. But there's the Sun card. Okay. So things, again, yesterday it was about the clouds clearing. The clouds are going to clear. Maybe they haven't cleared yet. When we have a storm, when the clouds are out. The sun is always there behind the clouds. Ouch. I'm pulling stuff off of my skin here on my thumb. Okay, let's see what we have here. You're going through an awakening right now, peeps. Collective. We have to get out of the negative thoughts. Because this energy, this is happening for a reason. I hear that it's happening for a reason. And I'm hearing, yesterday was about hermit mode. I'm hearing that the horn is blowing right in your ear. The universe is blowing it right in your ear. And yesterday we had the death card. You're being resurrected. This is interesting because a couple days ago was Easter. So you're being resurrected here. And let's see what we can focus on here. It's the end of a cycle. So whatever it is that you are mourning, whatever it is that you feel disappointed or upset about, I know it's easier said than done, but we're in a phase now where we need to let that go. Collective, we need to let it go. That's the end of that cycle. This is something totally new. Now what's underneath? The victory. This is good energy going forward. Let's not look back, let's look forward. You look back and you might fall flat in your face because you're not watching where you're going. See what I'm saying? And I know I'm rattling the camera. I can see it jiggling. So sorry. I'm sorry. All right. So what's the recent past? Knight of Cups. You know, the Knight of Cups can sometimes be too much in their emotions and not really pay attention to what's really happening. The Page of Cups is the same way too. They've got the rose-colored glasses on. They look at things like everything's great, no matter, all the red flags are right in front of them, and they see, I see roses. I see roses. I see love. And and it could be a love situation. It doesn't have to be. You're going to hear that horn's going to blow, and it's going to blow even louder. And the universe is going to say, I am trying to show you something here. You got to open your eyes and look. Take the blinders off. It's good to be positive, but let's be realistic about this. And what can we do to move forward? The Moon Pisces card. You're not seeing something for what it is. You're kind of in the dark, if I'm going to be honest. For not all of you, for some of you, again, the general read. Just take what resonates, leave what doesn't. The thing about the moon, though, is the sun will come out. Like the next day, the sun will come out. So right now, you're in the dark. Yeah, I think your intuition, your soul is telling you something, and you're just not listening. You're not listening. Well, we'll see. Let's see. I don't want to call anybody out here. There's the intuition. The Two of Swords. That's your advice card. There's something that you need to make a decision about, and it has nothing to do, again, it has nothing to do with the external world. It has to do with inside you, your intuition. What is your gut telling you? And you may be denying yourself listening to that. You're disappointed in something, yes, but we need to move on. You feel like you're left out in the cold when really you're not. You're putting yourself in that mindset. You're putting yourself in that prison. We're going to use these cards. I like to mix them up a little bit from day to day. Let's see what else we have here. Okay. Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. Again, like, share, subscribe. Smash that like button. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. It gets it out into the algorithm, and for anyone else who needs the message. But it also helps my channel, which I very, very much appreciate. I appreciate everybody tuning in, and those likes. It's kind of like like I said, an energy exchange. It's like a tip, and it connects your energy with the energy in the reading. So, by all means, smash that like button. Thanks so much to everyone who does. All right, Judgment card. Page of Pentacles. You're going to learn something very, very important about yourself. Yesterday was also about setting a goal. Page of Pentacles was there. Setting that goal, not letting anything stop you, not letting, seeing things. This is an awakening. It's for you to realize that you can stand on your own 2 feet. You are worth it. And again, this channel is all about empowering yourself. So whatever that disappointment is, we all have disappointments in life, but at some point we have to pull up our little bootstraps, and we have to get back up on that horse, no matter how many times we fall off the little horsey. We have to get back up, and we're going to get to where we want to get to no matter what. I don't care if it's 50, 1,000 times, we're going to do it. Because this is the end of a cycle, peeps. We're going through the end of a cycle. There's the chariot. There you go. There's your horse. Yep. There's your horse. There's your chariot. Your chariot awaits, my dears. Get back on that horse. The end of a cycle. We're going to start a new cycle here. 6 of Wands. 4 of, what is this? 4 of Wands. It's, your life's a little out of whack, a little out of balance right now. And that's okay. Okay. So it's time for us to do a little soul searching. Listen to your intuition. Listen to your inner voice. Because it's all going to balance out. Pay attention to any synchronicities. But this is exactly the way it's meant to happen. So it may not feel good. But the universe is saying, it's okay to be in your feelings. But don't let it cloud your judgment. Yes? But you see how this Knight of Cups is going towards the awakening? So it's okay to have those feelings. But then open your eyes and go, oh, crap. That's what it is. The King of Wands. See this as an opportunity to change things in your life. Whatever that happened was meant to happen for whatever reason. And with the Moon card here, probably not seeing it right now, but you will be. Moon, that's it. 10 of Swords. You don't see it. Whatever this hurt is, you're not going to hurt anymore. It takes time to heal, but we just got to keep moving forward. And I know it's hard. And with the 2 of Swords, we have the 4 of Cups. We're stuck in our emotions. A lot of us are stuck. A lot of you out there are stuck in your feelings, your emotions, and it's kind of clouding. So the clouds, and yesterday's reading, I'm telling you, watch it, because this is like a continuation of the saga, the story. The clouds are going to clear. You just can't see it right now. Because we all know when the storm comes, we all know that the sun's behind the clouds. It's there. We just can't see it. Moon. The bottom of the deck, 3 of Pentacles. Now, that could be your spirit team. Working to master yourself in whatever it is. Things are going to move forward. Okay? So you already started the building blocks to build what you want. It's just a matter of being patient, recognizing your feelings. Temperance is the ultimate alchemist. It's taking whatever you have, mixing a this, a little that. Always see, like making a cake. You mix a little this, you mix a little of that, and you're only going to put in the recipe what's going to taste good, what's going to be good for you, because you don't want to put in, like, I don't know, meat in a cake or something. I don't know, maybe bacon. I don't know, but and the Temperance card is basically saying, once you mix it all together, you do your thing, and then you put it in the oven. You let the universe do its thing. All right. The 9 of Wands. Don't give up. You know that I'm going to keep going no matter what. There's the Hermit again. And if you need to take some time alone, then do that. Your world's going to change in a big way. But you're going to see why this is a new beginning for you. Things are going to start making sense after a while. You're going to be able to see things clearer, having a little more clarity. And right after that, wow, is the Emperor. You may feel like you're out of control, but eventually you're gonna get the reins back, and you're gonna say, "Oh, I can direct myself in the way I want to go." There's the Fool. This is a fresh start, and there's the Sun. You're gonna see it. It's gonna be a fresh start, and it's all going to make sense. It just doesn't make sense now for a lot of us, including myself. All right, we have time. Let's see. Let's see what I want to use here. Is it this one that I want? All right. Which one, Spirit? This one? Okay. You know, you just don't know. All right. I am getting myself so many cards. I keep stacking them up, and I can't reach them anymore. Okay. Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you for tuning in. I love doing these, and I miss doing the daily reads. I don't know if any of you are, if you're subscribed and used to watch, it used to be the Daily Dish. And I stopped calling it the Daily Dish because I wasn't sure. I mean, I had views, but I mean, it wasn't a huge amount, but I was afraid people were thinking that it was like a food channel. It was supposed to be food for thought, but whatever. And then the Daily Shuffle came to me, and I'm like, oh, Daily Shuffle. Well, look at that. Spirit just spit that card right out. Oh, crap. Chilling with my peeps. Isn't that cute? I got it for Easter, but I just got it the day before Easter, so yeah, but I still love it. Guilty. Guilt can hold you back. Are you carrying the weight of past decisions? Forgive yourself and move forward, and only then can you truly grow. Not well, and go. Only then can you truly grow. So, are some of you feeling guilty about something? Are you feeling guilty about moving forward? Trust. Yeah, trust yourself. Trust is essential for moving forward. Are you doubting the path ahead? Have faith in the universe's plan and in yourself. Take the next step with confidence. And renewal is after that. You are entering a phase of renewal and fresh energy. Have you been feeling worn out? There you go. It's time to refresh yourself, whether by resting or changing your environment or both. New energy is on the way. So if you're feeling guilty about something, it's time to release that and trust yourself, trust the universe, trust your decisions. You're going through a renewal, and that doesn't always feel good when we go through that. But it's like growing pains. But eventually, when we move forward, and then we look back and go, "Oh, now I get it. Now I get it." It doesn't feel like it while we're going through it. Well, thank you all for tuning in. I hope this was helpful for you. Again, I hope you will consider joining the tribe. And comment down below. Let me know if it resonates. If you like this, I just did a cusp reading for Pisces and Aries. And I mean, I don't know when you're watching this, but if you're watching it when I upload it, and then I'll be doing the Aries Taurus soon. And I'm trying to get out zodiac readings, but with doing this in the morning, I don't know how much I can get done. But these will be coming out daily, and hopefully, it'll give you some guidance or advice to move forward. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you for tuning in. I love you all. Peace out.